Meghalaya, along with the rest of the country today, celebrated Teachers' Day with jubilant to recognize the contribution by teachers towards the society. Unlike in the previous years, the main function of Teachers' Day celebration 2020 was held at Government Public School in Shillong. Over the years, the Teachers' Day celebration was held at Usoso Tham Auditorium, where large number of teachers drawn from all the districts of the state would come together to mark the occasion. The venue for the celebration was shifted to the location due to coronavirus pandemic. Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on the 5th September to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a renowned scholar, recipient of Bharat Ratna, first Vice President and second President of independent India. He was born on the 5th September 1888. As an educationist, he was an advocate of edification and was a distinguished envoy, academician, and above all, a great teacher. As the common adage goes, the future of a country lies in the hands of its children, and teachers as mentors can mold students into future leaders who shape the destiny of India. Teachers' Day is celebrated to acknowledge the challenges, hardships, and special role the teachers play in our lives. Speaking on the occasion, Meghalaya Education Minister Lakman Rumboi said,
"As I said before, the world, it is moving very fast. Digital learning, whether we like or not, is a way forward. We have to prepare ourselves. The future teachers who aspire to enter this profession, please be prepared. You are very fortunate that many things happen in your lifetime. You have seen the good times and you have seen these bad times of this pandemic. The future teachers, as the future teachers, we are more prepared. So be prepared, and we from the department, we will try to do everything to streamline the education system, and we will do whatever necessary so that the education sector will be benefit. And as you know that even during this pandemic, the education department has initiated many initiatives, be for the teachers training, be for the student, be as we know that the syllabus has been planning, the academic calendar has been planned, so that our main purpose is that this year should not be wasted.
Large number of teachers who have dedicated their long service were recognized on the occasion.